Hello students, here we will be seeing sample of discuss both the views type of essay. So we will understand the in-depth how to write this kind of essay for IELTS exam. So I have taken one sample question, let's read it. It is commonly believed that nowadays main factors that affect a child's development are media, pop culture and friends. A different point of view is that family plays the most significant role. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So there are two statements and you have to throw light in each one of them. So let's see. Structure of discussion type essay based on band descriptors. Now what is band descriptors? I have given its detailed understanding in one video. Please refer to that. So based on our question, let's understand this essay. It is often held that teachers, peers, and the media have a significant influence on the life of children. While some people argue that these factors are predominant in shaping child's future, others believe that the parents impact their offsprings in more crucial way. In my opinion, children's choice of friends, books, or music depends on the values instilled in them by their parents. Therefore, parents or guardian are pillar of shaping their offspring's personality and future life ahead than media, pop culture, and friends circle. This essay will discuss both these points of view and argue in favor of the latter. Now see, in this introductory paragraph, the first two lines, okay, it is just a paraphrase of the topic. That is, the topic was given from 2 points. That is, one was that the media influence and the other one was the parents influence. So that those two statement has been given in our own words. So that is called as the paraphrasing of the topic statement. Next is that it has been argued that though both are there, but of course the major importance lies with the parents, how they influence, and that's why it is said that they argue in favor of the latter. So this is the introduction of the topic. This is called as introductory paragraph, and while writing the essay you must give the introductory paragraph. Okay, next we'll see the first body paragraph. So we'll pick up one point, that is the first point was the media's and the friends influence. So we will discuss in this body paragraph. So on one hand, the books children read and music they listen form their belief system. So the first argument has been rightly stated in the first sentence. In other words, children tend to copy the behavior of their favorite personality or fictional character. So one sub-point given in support of this, the external influence is this one. That is, they try to copy the favorite personality which they come across. Moreover, when little ones work and play in groups, they are influenced by their peers. So they do have their influence by the friends and the peers. This is another sub-point. Finally, other factors like media prompt children to want things regarded as valued, which boost their social image in the outside world, beyond their home front. So this is also one of the important things, that why children's personality is largely influenced because of this media, because somewhere their social image, they are always, most of them are actually somewhere in a social image conscious. For instance, children demand latest mobile which can give them economic esteem among friends. So this is very commonly seen. Now in this paragraph we are seeing the red marked lines because these are the sub points supporting the idea of how the children is impacted by the external factors, that is books and the friends, and these are also arranged in a very systematic manner. So this is called as the coherence. Also you will be seeing words like fictional characters, then in the previous paragraph predominant or values installed. These are the vocabs appropriate to the point or the topic of discussions. Okay, so these are very, very important as one of the band descriptors. Even you can see, take it as environment is also another point, or economic esteem. Okay, I have given the sub points as the red marked, and the blue ones, although all vocabs I have not underlined, and the blue ones are the vocabulary appropriate to the topic, that is the lexical resource. Grammatically also, if you see, different sentence structure is used here, that is the complex sentence structure. Okay, and also the adverbs like moreover, all these are, or finally, all these are also taken into consideration while drafting the paragraph. So you will write it, the paragraph, whatever points you are writing, please take into considerations all the 4 band descriptors, that is task achievement, coherence, cohesion, lexical resource, and grammar is taken into consideration, because that is how your band score will improve. Now coming to the next paragraph, so the next point is the parental influence. So let's understand this paragraph. On the other hand, a children's personality is malleable. See the word appropriate, malleable, at a very young age. And parents are main pivotal role in their life at this stage. At least they reach adolescent stage. Now see here, a comma is used. Okay, so that shows a complex type of sentence. That is, this is one point, and again the next point. Okay, also, she take care of also. Very young children love to imitate their parents, like parents being their ideal role model. So in continuation to the main point, or supporting the main point, this is one of the main things which is given, and it is often seen, that is, the children consider their parents as their ideal role model. Strikingly, children who come from a dysfunctional family often exhibit behavioral problems at school and later in their life. So this is somewhere gives a very striking example that how much parents are important to their life, or the guardians, because they are somewhere not normal in their personality. So this personality is largely impacted by their dysfunctional or the family disturbances. An emotionally secure environment at home is crucial for child's confidence. Okay, this is another valid sub point. Okay, so we see this point which supports that how parental influence is important, and then next secure environment. Okay, so all sort of security, including emotional security. Okay, moreover, parents also teach children about how to pick up real life responsibility and deal with different challenges. So this is another major point supporting this idea, that is parental impact. So in these 2 paragraphs, we understand, that is, we have taken both the point, okay, and we have elaborated each one, taking few sub points. In conclusion, the outside world influences the intellectual and social development of children. Okay, so this is the concluding statement. However, I believe that it is the parents who set the stage for these developments by laying a strong foundation by love and value culture from a very young age. So you understand that the conclusion is somewhere, whatever you have discussed in these 2 paragraphs, based on that, you give the concluding point. So what is the concluding point? That is, from the external world, intellectual and social development is somewhere given, and it is responsible, but their personality is largely depending upon the love and the lessons which they adopt, or the lessons which they learn from their parents, the value cultures and all, that shapes their overall personality. So this is about the discussion type of essay, and I hope that you have understand this. If any doubt or any further things you want to know, you can comment in the comment section box, and if you like it, please give a subscribe button click. Thank you.